Wanna know how to change your graphics quality in Paladins? So if you want either performance or quality, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your video or your graphics so you can prefer or choose accordingly. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you've opened it up, make sure you are under this interface right here, and on the top right side you should be seeing settings. So you can just simply select it. This would be the gear icon right here. So once you have selected settings, here you should be seeing video right here. By default you should be on the video. If you're not, just simply select it. Now you can just simply scroll down a little bit, and here you should be seeing various options like anti-aliasing, vertical sync, and much more. So you can just simply select off right here, disabled, and enable it accordingly. So from anti-aliasing to gamma and FOV, it should be your quality and your graphic settings. So you can just simply select it and choose it according to your liking, and you can just simply select apply right here, and you should be good to go. Sometimes you might need a restart, so make sure to restart your game as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.